What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to Top Crypto. And today we're going to talk about another high potential project called Futurent. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I am not a financial advisor, this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so without further ado, let's begin to our topic. Futurent delivers fractional NFT real estate and a superb blockchain platform for listing and renting luxury goods metaverse properties. Futurent is where DeFi meets the real-world assets. Tokenization of real estate is the latest hot topic and an obvious next step toward traditional market adoption. Fractional investing makes real estate suitable for any budget, and Futurent's intuitive system brings it even closer to retail investors. Futurent strive to be synonymous with the connection between both worlds. The ability to invest in real estate with a few clicks in the comfort of your own home makes it as enticing as it can get. Reaching fresh groups of buyers with high purchasing power is a retailer's dream. That doesn't even cover developers looking for new investors. Metaverse projections are telling they are still early. However, there are so many projects releasing every day that soon there will be too much noise in the space. Now, imagine having a project with this much potential at this early stage. The metaverse urgently needs a one-stop shop, and they delivering it with many special features along the way. High-end management combined with strong partnerships will secure the perfect model for worry-free investments. Assets are secured with auditor agreements that rely on their DAO voting system. Blockchain security protocols are used to ensure portfolio transparency, and all holders are entitled to vote. Portfolio is backed by real assets under strong safety protocols, such as escrow service and VRF protocols for maximum transparency. They understand importance of their clients' privacy, and they will secure safe environment for worry-free usage at any time. As soon as NFT brick is in a new wallet, economic rights are transferred, and it triggers all the benefits to go along. NFT real estate are pre-owned by their legal entity UNER auditor S control. RE trading can only be triggered by DAO voting system. As you can see at the chart, the assets is 20%, partnerships and legal is 15%, liquidity is 10%, marketing is 30%, treasury is 10%, and development is 15%. The roadmap. 2021 Q4. Core team assembling, successful incubation, pre-market research, beta release, and strategic planning. 2022 Q1. Pre-sale fundraising, pre-launch marketing, strategic partnerships, testnet release, team and advisory upgrades. 2022 March. IDO launch, TBA soon, launch on Avalanche, staking launch and Avalanche Summit Barcelona. 2022 Q2. Mainnet launch, adding metaverse properties, community incentives, CEX listing, mobile app release, multilingual support, and global growth, major strategic partnership, and potentially adding networks. 2022 Q3. Advanced tools and features, major platform upgrade, Futurent 2.0, massive adoption program, and advanced legal solution. 2022 Q4. Subnet release, NFT bricks upgrade for all users, investment platform for all developers, spreading their portfolio globally, and adding services. 2023 Q1. Next level platform 3.0, security upgrades and integrations, integrated mobile wallet, ultimate metaverse OSS, and optimized staking. Here are the team and advisor of Futurent. Team: Alan Dalsack, founder and CEO. Janin Kades, CTO. Svyatoslav Shilkov, Web3 developer. Dario Carr, developer. And many more. Advisory: Sundeep Siripurapu, main advisor. Powell Laskarzuski, blockchain advisor. Nikita Suchdev, marketing advisor. Anand KK, main team consultant. And many more. Here are the partners of Futurent. Dutch crypto investors, MH Ventures, Empire Ventures Capital, Agora, and many more. Let's take a look at Futurent Twitter page. They started their official page back at October 2021 and have 3.1k followers. And here are the pinned tweet of Futurent on Twitter. They are excited about the launch on Avalanche Evax that will take place on 18-20th of April on several launch pads. And that's all for Futurent. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.